Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 5th. 5th chapter Fractions. Part 3. Now, students, there are the different types of fractions. Clear? That is proper fractions and improper fractions, mixed fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction, unit fraction and whole fraction, and equivalent fraction. So, from this type of fraction, we have seen what is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means having same values are known as your equivalent fraction. Clear? So today we will see that is like and unlike fraction. So let's see what are like fractions and unlike fractions. Now let's see first what is like fraction. Now student, fractions having same denominator, fraction with same denominators are known as your like fractions. Clear? If the denominators are same, it means it is your like fraction. Understood, students? So you can see in this slide, here it is given 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. All the fractions having same denominator. It means it is your like fraction. Now further we will see what is unlike fractions. Now unlike fraction means fractions which have different denominators are known as your unlike fraction. So you can see in this slide, student, here the two fractions are given, that is 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. Now in both the fraction your denominators are different. So these fractions are known as your unlike fraction. Clear? Question number 8. Classify the given fraction into like and unlike fraction. Now what you have to do over here is you have to classify the like and unlike fraction. Like fraction means a fraction whose denominators are equal are called like fraction, and the unlike fraction means the denominators are not equal are called unlike fraction. So here we will write down the like fraction. Clear? That is 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 6 upon 7, then 5 upon 7 and 6 upon again we will write down that is 7. These are your like fraction. And what is your unlike fraction, student? That is the denominators are not equal, that is 4 upon 8, 9 upon 11, then 7 upon 10, then 7 upon 9, 12 upon 13. These all are your unlike fraction. Clear? Question number 9. Convert the given fraction into like fraction. Now what we have to do here, student? We have to convert the given fraction into like fraction. See, one has been done for you. We will do the second one, that is 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Now what you will do? Now we have to convert this fraction into like fraction. We have to make this is your unlike fraction. Clear? Why? Because denominators are not equal. So we have to make this as your like fraction. So how you will going to make this? Now let's see. Now what you will do is, now see here 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Clear? Now tell me how you will make your denominator equal. Now see, 4, see in this 4 table 8 is there. When? That is 4 twos are. So we will only multiply this 4 with 2 and 5 upon 8 will come as it is. So here 3 twos are is 6 and 4 twos are is 8. 5 upon 8 will come as it is. So is 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 is your like fraction? Yes. Clear? So here we will write down therefore 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 are like fractions. Clear, students? How you will do? Now similarly you have to do the third one. Now I will show you the fourth one, how you will do the fourth one. Clear, students? So what you will do, how you will do this? So see here this 4 is not there in your 3's table and 3 is not there in your 4's table. So what you will do? Now how you will make your denominator equal? So in this case what you have to do is this fraction you will multiply with this denominator, that is with 3. and this fraction 2 upon 3 you will multiply with this denominator, that is with 4. So what you will get, 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Now your denominators are equal. Therefore 3 upon 12 and 8 upon 12 are like fractions. Clear, students? Thank you.